Now that we're done debulking and creating our silhouette, we can switch over to our anti outliners and create our first guideline. You always want to make sure this guideline's at a curve so the taper could burst. Using our nor guard all the way open, we're creating our second guideline and we're following that same curved shape. Remember to use the lever to blend out that initial guideline. Here we're switching over to our 2 guard all the way open and we're creating our 4th guideline, blending it into the bowl. Now that the guideline is soft enough, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to the neckline, we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. Once you do near the top arch, the skin does get a little bit thinner, so make sure you don't press too hard and cut them. Moving on to the C-cups, we're using our anti outliners to make them as crispy as possible. I usually start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch. You gotta always remember to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer, because if not, you're not gonna line up the hair. Look how crispy that looks. Very nice and clean and natural. Now that we're done debulking his hairline with the 1 guard all the way open, we can start off at the middle and work our way to the sides, making him as crispy as possible. Again, you want to make sure you feed the hair into the trimmer and you go slow and steady. Also, don't be afraid to use your opposite hand to hold down the hair if needed. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to be doing his eyebrows. Before you use the razor, you always want to make sure you lather the skin with a little bit of shave gel. Also, make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible so you don't cut them. And when using the razor, you always want to keep the blade at a 45-degree angle.